Hi everyone, my name is Chiranjeevi thunuguntla and our project name is Indox Company is in blockchain technology. Now in this presentation I am going to give you about the reflection part of our project. My contributions toward this project are: at very starting stage of our project we did a research work on finding a suitable blockchain technology for Indox Company. So after that research work we did a recommendation report on suitable blockchain framework for Indox. Later, we also work for identifying the blockchain-based framework to be integrated to the Indox business process. And also, I created table of contents for the final project report. And for the final project report, I also work for the literature review. And also, I created the acceptance criteria for a project. Coming to the technical part of our project, I created a Amazon QLDB account and also a sample ledger for Indox in Amazon QLDB. I also created my own AWS account to create Amazon S3 database, and also it connected with the QLDB ledger. During the development phase, I did pair programming with team for developing and testing of the code, and also work for the mapping process of index business, like on finding the participants, assets, transactions, and events. So our team members work together and find out the important participants, assets, transactions, and events for our business. Later, I also work for identification of all possible user inputs and create a test plan for each one. Also created test data to be used for the identified test plan. I also created a sample API that will process basic blockchain based entities. Also created APIs that will process the Indox business data, and as a tester of this project, I created test cases, and also the other team members helped me in creating this. And in sprint one, we found out a lot of test cases for project. So using that, we created test plan and test data. So I tested the logins, documents that are uploaded in Amazon QLDB with the original files. Also check the document IDs that are provided by the blockchain technology like Amazon QLDB. And also I test the blockchain based network with the minimal participants, assets, transactions, and events using the sample API and also the smart contracts. For every week stand-ups, I created presentations for our team, and also I created presentations for the sprint retrospectives. Coming to the final project report writing, I wrote the introduction part, literature review part, and the project challenges. My largest three contributions are creating the table of contents for final project, also developing the acceptance criteria, and creating test cases and running the test cases in the project. Some of the unique things that I learned and contributed in this project are working on C# programming. So this is very new to me, and I learned the basic coding of the C programming for project. Also, we played around Amazon Quantum Ledger database, and also got to know like how Amazon QLDB works and what are the kind of uses in it, like that. Also, we used Visual Studio Code for running the programming part of a project. So Visual Studio Code is also a new one. So in this, I got to learn we can use different languages in to work at one place. I also learned the particle while developing the database. So this particle is a new programming language for me. So I learned the very basics of this particle. And coming to the project work, like I learned, I got to learn what the importance of the teamwork, how the teamwork will leads you to the success, and also learned how to work in the real team project. Like this project, we are working with the real clients, so it gives me a real time experience that how the actual corporate field is going on with the employees. So and also for weekly stand-ups with the clients, I got to learn how to deal with them. And coming to leadership skills, even though I'm not the leader of the of this project, but I learned a lot from my team from a leader of this project, like how to manage the time, how to organize the meetings, how to deal with the errors, and how to deal with the other team members in the project. Coming to the improvements in this course, I think it would be better if you are given some more time for working in this project, because i- with the limited time we are able to reach the complete requirements of the project, and we develop a complete project. But if you are given some more time, we would be able to add some more features for our project and can develop it in a complete way. And also it would be better if the lectures will be conducted face to face. But I know because of this pandemic, the online classes are held in every class. But what I think is, if it is the face-to-face lectures, we would able to learn a lot than in the online sessions. And also during the project research working, we lost so much of time in finding the suitable tools for our project, and suitable papers, research papers for our project. But it would be better if the course will provide us like complete details of finding the resources, and also research. I would like to thank Fedioni and my supervisors for giving me this opportunity to work on a real-time based project. And also I would like to thank our client Indox for giving us an opportunity to work with them and helping us in each and every phase of this project. And also would like to thank my team members for working hard and supporting each other as well. Thank you.